Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and how can you make a brownie in a microwave? Find out. Oh. Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and come on, subscribe to the channel. We are so close now. We're on the final stretch to get to 10k, so help me out. Click subscribe, free to do so, and you're gonna get tons of activities, game ideas, you name it, it's all on the channel, as well as tons coming up. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to do some quick cook brownies, okay? Mwah. So, what you're gonna need is, some plain flour, caster sugar, cocoa powder, white chocolate chips, unsalted butter, semi-skimmed milk, and some vanilla paste, which I didn't even know existed. First of all, in a bowl, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put in 3 tablespoons of plain flour. 3. You also want 3 tablespoons of caster sugar. You want 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And you want 1 tablespoon of white chocolate chips. What you do with the others, well, what you wanna do is you wanna stir them in together. So it's a nice weird mixture of cocoa powder, sugar, and your white chocolate chips. Kinda like that. So next what you want to do is you want to cube 30 grams of your unsalted butter and pop it into a microwavable tray, like so. So you have little mini cubes of butter. What you're going to do with this is you're going to stick it in the microwave for 30-second bursts. Once the butter is melted, you want to swirl it all the way around so it kind of covers the outside but doesn't splish over, okay? And there we are. So you've melted your butter. You just want to swirl that around the dish a bit. Okay. And then with this, what you're going to do is you're going to pour it into your dry ingredients. You want to mix this together so that it's clumpy. Okay, so it's all clumped together. Then what you want to do is you want 2 tablespoons of your milk in here as well. And then also you want half a teaspoon of your vanilla paste. And then you want to combine it well. So the milk and the vanilla paste, and get that all together. It does smell nice though, just saying. Yeah, combined well. And then what you're going to do with this, you're going to transfer it back into where you put your butter. So just nicely smooth it down just a little bit. And then this wants to go into the microwave. You want it in there for around about 4 minutes and 30 seconds until the brownie is well risen, but it's still a bit bouncy when you touch it. And there you have it. Once it's cooled down, then you can have a taste. Ooh, this actually, oh, it smells so lovely. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, that's against my diet. There we have it. A simple, really quick 10-minute thing that you can do in your microwave. And it's tasty as well. So if you like this video, don't forget to obviously give it a thumbs up and share it around. Come on, microwavable brownies. Who knew? Give this video a like, share it around, click the subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon for another one of these. Bye.